Haiden Deegan is the first person with 1 point on his rider's license this year. Now, if you missed this, they implemented this year, and the reason he got it is because he denied a TV interview. Now, obviously, he didn't finish on the podium, he finished fourth. But I'm reading this directly from RacerX Online. It says, quote, "The TV crew has the right to ask key riders, such as point leaders or defending champion, to do a TV interview, even if the rider doesn't finish on the podium." Now, this has been a thing for a while. If you didn't do it before, it was a $1,000 fine on the first offense and then up from there. But this year, they've implemented this rider license, whatever you want to call it. You can get anything, apparently, from skipping TV interviews or media sessions to, aggressive riding, jumping Red Cross flags, blah, 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 blah. If you make 15, or if you reach 15 total marks in a year, a 365-day span, you can start losing championship points. There's also loss of gate picks and other penalties that come before those. And this is stupid. If you do something on track, if you take somebody out, if you jump a Red Cross flag, if you hit somebody, sure. All those things should definitely be able to be penalized. And obviously, if you're somebody who does this a lot, if you're T-boning people every single race, if you're, just super aggressive and really dangerous, think Vince Freezy, then sure, you should be penalized for that. Then there should be a limit to how much you can do. The fact that they can add license points, quote unquote, or restrictions to that on the pure fact of skipping a TV interview, dumb. Just absolutely dumb. Now, I get it. Supercross, SMX, whatever you want to call it, the whole Feld thing is a business, and if you want business, you need clips, you need entertaining things happening on TV. So obviously you want to be interviewing the top names, the big name guys, and Deegan is going to be that big name guy, at least in the West. But it's still stupid to me. Fine him, sure, whatever. But the fact that they can give you points for that, and I mean, think 15, who knows what this is? Is it 1 point for I didn't do an interview? Is it 4 points for a T-bone? Who knows? If you know and I don't, comment it down below. Is there a list somewhere for this? But to me, this is stupid. I can't believe something like this is necessary, but I don't know. This is what I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Stupid, good, do you like it? Do you think it should just be on track stuff like I do? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform lets you do, because it does really help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.